today's world, many people prioritizing investing in parties and expensive items over investing in themselves. However, investing in yourself is essential for personal growth and financial success. So today, let's explore top 4 courses that will equip you to become an AI engineer starting from 2024 and beyond. So I have curated a selection of courses that has both paid and free options as well. So let's get started. Number 1 is content creation in minutes with ChatGPT. In this course, you will learn to create engaging articles, then blogs and social media posts with AI-powered language models. Along with that, you will master AI-driven audios, videos, content, and creating your podcast and videos also. You can develop editing skills to refine and enhance your AI-generated content. And you can integrate AI tools into your content for marketing strategies for better results. So this course is for just 799 rupees from Udemy, which is offering. Along with that, once you complete your course, you're able to get completion certification as well. So now let's quickly move on to the second one. So this course is how to use ChatGPT and generative AI to help create content. So this course is a little advanced version where you learn a lot of things, and yes, this is one of my favorites. So how to use DALL-E, Midjourney and Adobe Firefly to generate images. Then how to use ChatGPT builders to create your own GPTs. Then basics of prompt engineering you will be learning here, and advanced prompt techniques also you will be learning here. Then printing to get more specific AI responses is a lot of techniques you will be handling here. This course is of 6 hours, and yes, this course is worth rupees 3099 rupees. It's a bit higher in price, but yes, you will learn a lot of concepts in this particular course. And yes, after completion of this course, you will definitely get your certificate of completion as well. So this course is about machine learning A to Z, AI, Python and R with ChatGPT. So this course is also a little advanced version, and yes, this 42 hours course will help you to create machine learning algorithms in Python and R from 2 data science experts, and code templates are also included in this course. Along with that, you will be able to master machine learning on Python and R, like I said, and make accurate predictions, make robust machine learning models, etc. and many more things. And yes, this course is worth rupees 3499 rupees, and yes, once you complete this course, you will be able to get the certification of completion. Course is totally free of cost. This course has become an AI-powered engineer with ChatGPT, GitHub and Copilot, and in this you will learn basically an overview of all the AI tools for developers and with their impact on software development. Then you will be able to learn about introduction to ChatGPT, a language model, then integration of ChatGPT with popular ADEs and text editors, then hands-on exercise and project to practice using ChatGPT to generate codes. Along with that, you will understand how AI works and its impact on software developments. So this course, like I said, is totally free of cost. So after completing these AI courses, you can kickstart your journey to earning by freelancing and creating audio, video and written content on social media platforms and platforms like Instagram, Fiverr, Upwork and other online platforms to attract clients. Additionally, consider launching your own YouTube channel where you can share your own expertise and monetize your content as well. Teaching this high demand skills to others while generating income from your channels. So given the boom in the AI sector, particularly in ChatGPT, in the coming years, it is wise to invest yourself in now and stay and earn well. So thank you for watching this video. Share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll meet you soon. Bye bye.